Do you know Google has an extension that allows you to save files, links, and images directly to your Google Drive? Search for Save to Google Drive in Chrome Web Store. You will find this extension developed by Google. Click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. It will be installed. Pin the extension to see its icon next to the address bar. Now go to a page and click the extension icon. The page screenshot will be saved to your drive. Or you may right-click on an image and choose Save Image to Google Drive. The same can be done with links or PDFs. Go to your drive to see the file saved. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and try Kanbanchi, the only task and project management app built for Google Workspace.